Assalamu alaikum students. I am here to teach you about mathematics. Today's our topic is function and their graphs. Firstly start from relations. Relations in simple words we have two sets and make a relation like brother and sister are the relation, mother and daughter is a relation, mother and son is a relation. Similarly, we make relation between two sets. One belongs to other. Like we are taking one set X and other set is Y. Then element of A relates with element of Y. A relates 1, B relates 2, C relates with 3. One set is domain and other set is range. Domain is the number which is input and range which is output. If we put A in a function, then we get a number of Y set. If we put the element of X, then we get the element of set Y. Similarly, we have this also. A relates with 2 and C relates with 1. Similarly, we have G relates with 4, H relates with 1, I relates with 2 and 3 also. In relation, we can write these in order pair like this. A relates with 1. I am talking about this set. This relation, A belongs to 1, B belongs to 2, A relates with 1, B relates with 2, C relates with 3. A, B and C is domain or input and 1, 2 and 3 is our output. Similarly, our domain is AC and range is 1, 2. Here we have, in example 3, we have domain G, H, I and ranges 1, 2, 3 and 4. Function. Function is the well-defined relation. Well-defined means exact, proper relation. I will clear with the example. Here G relates with 8 and H also relates with 8. This is the function. But if G relates with 8 and G relates with 7, then it's not a function, because here we have not well-defined relation. Every relation is a function. Every function is a relation, but every relation is not a function, because we have relation as a superset and function is the subset. Every function is the relation, but every relation is not a function. Similarly, here we have a domain A and B and range 1 and 2. Here we have a domain X and Y and range 3, 4 and 5. A function relates each element of X with the unique element of other set. There is a 1, 1 set function. Here we have a 1, 1 function, in which 1, 1 function, one element of X take the one element of Y of other set. One set take one value of other set. Let's see, A relates with 1, B relates 2, X relates with 3, Y relates with 4 and 5. This is not a 1, 1 function. F relates with 7, G relates with 8, H relates with 8. This is a function but not 1, 1 function. But this is not a function and not a 1, 1 function, because Y belongs to X and y relates with 5. Y have a value 4 and 5, two values, but we read in this unique element of other element. One set relates one element of x with unique element of other set. So this is not a function and not also 1-1 function. This is not a function. ये function, it is not a function and also not 1-1 function. Here we have some more definition about codomain and functions. If we take value of x, if it gives 3, we take y, it gives 5, we take z, it gives 7. But here we see we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 numbers relate with the values of domain, but 4 and 6 do not relate with any number. But this is the possible numbers which can be used relate with domain. So this is called codomain set. 3, 5, 7 is range. We taking this number, we can see our range. If we put x in the function, we can see output as 3. We take y and we get range as 5. Here we are taking a function f of x equal to x square. We take any real number, so we get we take minus 3. Minus 3 whole square equals to 9. Minus 2 get 4. Minus 1 in function we get 1. F of 0 equals to 0. F of 1 equals to 1. F of 2 equals to 4. F of 3 equals to 9. We can take many points. This is our domain. Minus 3 is our domain and 9 is our range. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These numbers are domain. And these numbers 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. This is our range. This is the graph of x square. Here we can draw a line here, straight line. It cut on the one point like this, this and this. Then it is called a function. Otherwise it cut 2 or more number times, then it's not a function. We're taking x cube. Similarly, we take minus 3, give us output minus 7. We take minus 2, it gives minus 8, minus 1, it gives minus 1. F of 0 equals to 0. F of 1 equals to 1, F of 2 equals to 8, F of 3 equals to 27. We also can take more values just for the some description. So I take these numbers. Cubic form graph become like this. It's not the exact of this function, but the cubic form has this kind of function. Vertical line test. Vertical line cut only one point, then it is a function. Otherwise it's not a function. Like x square function with the see, this point cut one time. See, this line cut only one point. This line can cut on one point. This is a function. It cuts on one point, it's a function. It cut one point, it's a function. This is a function of radical x. This is also cut on one point. This is also cut one point. So this is the function. You can see this cut this line cut on 2 points, so this is not a function. This is not a function due to it's cut 2 times on the graph. If you take this kind of function and check this cut on the one point, if vertical line cut 1 time, then it's a function. Otherwise it cuts 2 or more times, then it's not a function. Or it does not cut a function, then it's also not a function. 1-1 function. 1-1 function can also define as if points are not equal, x not equals to x2, then function f of x1 does not equals to f of x2. If pre-image, this is the image of x1, this is the image of x2. If images are not equal, then points is not equal. Now move on the next definition, horizontal line test. Horizontal line test, similarly in vertical line test, here we draw a horizontal line on the graph. It cut 1 time, then it's 1-1 function, otherwise it's not a 1-1 function. We're taking a graph x square of x square. We draw a line, vertical line, this and this. It cut on 2 points. So this is not a 1-1 function because it cut on 2 sides, 2 points. So this is not a 1-1 function. Similarly, we take this radical x. This graph, in this graph, horizontal line cut only 1 time, so this is the 1-1 function, but this is not a 1-1 function, this is 1-1 function, because on the graph we draw horizontal line, it's cut only 1 point. Similarly, if we take circle and draw horizontal line, it fails our vertical line test, so it is not a function. We take x square function, it passes vertical line because we draw see before this. If we draw vertical line on this graph, then it cut only 1 time on the graph, so it passed the vertical line test, but it fails horizontal line test. So it is function but not the 1-1 function. If we taking this kind of graph, then it part vertical line test. This is function, and also it passes horizontal line test. So it is also 1-1 function. Find domain or range. If function is equals to x square, as we said in previous slides, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on we can put in the function, and this is domain, and 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, these are outputs. So our domain is a real number, -infinity to +infinity in open intervals. Our range is 0, 1, 2, from 0 to +infinity, not negative. In this we cannot have negative numbers. We have all positive numbers in this. So our domain become -infinity to infinity, and range closed interval 0 to infinity, open interval. We have a function here, f of x equals to 1 over x. If we take -3, -2, -3, its answer -1 over 3, 1 over 2. But if we take 0, then 1 over 0 is undefined. We cannot take function as undefined. We cannot put the number which can make our function undefined. So we cannot take 0 as a domain. So we can subtract 0 from real numbers. Then other numbers except 0 is our domain. Minus infinity to 0 is union 0 to infinity. In open interval we cannot include boundaries, so we are taking open interval on all sides. Range also infinity to 0, union 0 to infinity. And this is the function. Function is 4 minus x radical. If we put 4, then equals to 0. If we take 5, then 4 minus 5, it make radical minus 1, which is also undefined. It is also not good for our function. So we cannot take minus 1 in the radical. So we can take negative numbers like 4 minus 2. It make our radical positive. So we can take negative numbers but not positive number greater than 4. So our domain is negative infinity to positive closed interval. In closed interval we include boundary. So negative infinity to 4. So our range becomes 0 to infinity. Thank you. Any question about this?